morning students, welcome back. Today we will start chapter number 8 of mathematics decimals. First let us see what are the topics to be covered in the chapter. Topics to be covered in the chapter are introduction, decimals, decimals on number line, decimals as fractions, comparing decimals, application of decimals, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. You have already learned about decimals in class 5. So let us start the chapter by discussing some examples of decimal numbers. Introduction. Length of a pencil is 1.3 cm. Weight of bananas is equal to 1.4 kg. Temperature of a room is 21.0 degrees Celsius. In all these examples, we have used point. This point is called decimal point and such numbers are called decimal numbers. Example 63.5. This point is called decimal point and this decimal point separates the numbers into two parts, whole part and decimal part. The numbers before these decimal points are whole part and point numbers after this decimal point are decimal part. And this decimal part is always less than 1. 63.5. 0.5 is less than 1. Decimal point. The decimal point is used to separate all numbers from the number values less than 1. Next is tens. Consider a rectangular bar which is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have already studied in fraction chapter that since it is divided into 10 equal parts, each part represents 1 upon 10. And out of these 10 parts, 3 are shaded. So 3 upon 10 will be the representation of this bar. So 3 upon 10, we know 3 upon 10, we can write it as 0.3. Next example, here this rectangular bar is divided into 10 equal parts. Out of 10, 7 are shaded. So we can write the fraction 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 is equal to 0.7. Since the given numbers are divided by 10, we can call these fractions as decimal fractions. You have already learned about whole numbers and place value of each digit in that number. Example, here 3568, place value of 8 is ones, place value of 6 is tens, place value of 5 is hundreds and place value of 3 is thousands. Now let us see what will be the place value of digits in decimal numbers. Example 2.4, in this 2 is the whole part and 4 is the decimal part. So the place value of 2 is ones. Now the place value of 4. 4 is after decimal point. Then the number after the first number after the decimal point, its place value will be tens. T-E-N-T-H-S. That is 1 upon 10. So 2 ones and 4 tens. So we can write it as 2 into 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 10. 4 into 1 upon 10 is 4 upon 10. That we can write 0.4. So 2 plus 0.4 is equal to 2.4. Next example 16.5. In this 16 is the whole part and 5 is the decimal part. So place value of 6 is ones and place value of 1 is tens. And after point 5 is there and the place value of 5 is tens. That is 1 upon 10. So we can write 10 into 1 plus 1 into 6 plus 5 into 1 upon 10. That is 16.5. Next example 0.7. Here the place value of 0 is ones and place value of 7 is tens because it is after decimal point. So 0.7, that is 7 upon 10. Next is representing decimals on number line. Example, represent 0.6 on a number line. we can write 0.6 as 6 upon 10. And you have already learned how to represent fractions on number line. 6 upon 10, since the denominator is 10, we will divide the number line into 10 equal parts. And we know 0.6 is between 0 and 1. So between 0 and 1, we will divide into 10 equal parts. Since between 0 and 1, it is divided into 10 equal parts. First point will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 0.6. This we have to mark on number line. In chapter number 7, we have learned about what are fractions and how to form equivalent fractions. So, let us discuss now how to convert fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions. Next is fractions as decimals. Example, express 2 upon 5 as a decimal. Solution, 2 upon 5 is a fraction. If we convert it into equivalent fractions with denominator 10, then it will be easy to represent as decimal number. So, we know 5 into 2 is 10. So, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. 4 upon 10, we can write 0.4. So, 2 upon 5 is equal to 0.4. Next, decimals as fractions. Example, express 13.7 as fractions. Solution, 13.7. From right side, after one digit, there is a decimal point. That means 137 divided by 10. So, we can write 13.7 is equal to 137 upon 10. Write each of the following as decimals. Example number 1, 2 ones and 5 tenths. Answer 2 ones. So 2 into 1 plus 5 tenths means 5 into 1 upon 10, which is equal to 5 upon 10. We know 5 upon 10 is 0.5. Therefore 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 2.5. Next example, 30 and 1 tenth. Answer 30 plus 1 tenth is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10 is 0.1. 30 plus 0.1 is equal to 30.1. Today we have discussed about decimal numbers, how to represent decimal numbers on number line, and how to convert fractions into decimal numbers and decimal numbers into fraction. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.